Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Maiden's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
This is invert sugar syrup. We use this to make mooncake. It is also delicious using it as a dip for foods. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box. First, let's cut the lemon. We only need half. Then we need to squeeze the juice. Make sure to strain the juice. Now add the water in a pot and turn on the heat. We use medium heat. Then add the sugar. And add the lemon juice. Now mix everything together and bring to a boil. We will cook the mixture for 35 minutes. When it's boiling, bring the heat down to a simmer. Make sure to occasionally scrape the side. This removes the sugar stuck to the side of the pot. Make sure to remove the scum from the mixture. The mixture is finished when it's able to slowly drip like this. Now remove from the heat and the syrup is done. This is the final product. The syrup is lighter in color when it's more fresh, and it becomes more golden the longer you leave in the refrigerator. This syrup was made a few weeks earlier. Notice how the syrup is more gold in color?
That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching. We see you next video. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见